door's still locked. Do you think he's dead? No. That would be even worse.
One plastic scout. Careful. That's it.
You ready? We're leaving now.
We're leaving now. What impatience.
Now I'm ready.
Bueno, por hago. Y para uno con Getter, esto txapelen kanalera on Getter Warhammer End Times Vermintide bi honetara eso gertatzen da orain. A ber, itxaron. Bueno, berdin da. Nogoien aterako denez aktualizazio bat, gauzatxo berriken eta bar. Hemen natora bur bat praktikatzera eta bar. Eta kutsatxoak ireki barko ditu eta asko ditu dalako. A ber, hemen. Vale. Botxelin, gure esku. Vale, orduan egin behar ditugu hiru monstru eta lau tomo gutxien desafioa. Heroiena, ba, bueno, berdin zaigu. Eta orain jokatuko ditugu partida askar batzuk. Eta aurrera joango gara, kerilaekin jokatu ez badugu, jokatuko dugu beste pertsone batekin. Bale, hau kargatzen dago. Ea zer moduz moldatzen garen eta praktika apur bat behar dut.
Never you mind. Don't want to talk about it. Private matter.
Gara zen mapa den hau.
Carillion, about that last sojourn in Castle Drakenfels.
You needn't waste your time. We've nothing to discuss.
Mapa berri horietakoa.
You're going back to the forest and descry a war machine nest. Destroy them all as you did before, but find the rune. If you forget, don't bother coming back at all. Loner may enjoy his jolly little motivational speeches. I care only about results. So don't mess this up.
Vale. Momentzat, kerielekin nazi algaitezke. Hau ez da tramparena. Vale. Pertsona talde egin du oso ondo.
Potion, don't waste it.
Hatred fuels my purpose. It shall fuel you also.
That rat strat, Dory.
Have a care. We plague monks to deal with.
Joko honetan blokeatzea garrantzitsua da.
My shield and I will get this done.
I am a mountain. I feel down.
Bestela hemen txartos doaz.
Bringing pain.
Vale.
Rattling gun, move.
I remember this. Oh, you're in for it now. Or maybe you're not. How many times have we been here?
Vale, guazen aurrera.
Wrong way, dead end.
Vale, hor bat edorretu zaigu orain. Baina.
Seems to flame on that wind. Warp fire.
Zagit duten gauza txarra dira asko direla, eta orduan fidatu zaitezke lapia bat. Eta hori ez da bat ere komenigarria. Ez dira oso indartsuak, baina asko dira.
I'm a morsel of flame.
Kill the hook rat. Make it suffer.
Die, Packmaster. You will trouble us no more.
Vale, kobasuletatik aurrera joango gara.
It's not that bad, Mayfly.
A ver, a ver, a ver!
Hush your yelping, Gruber.
You just helped a lumberfoot, mate.
The rasp of a gas rat.
I'm sure it's an accident, but you're going the right way.
Guess that's dead. Can't fault you bigger, Dory.
Ah, the
your gas
Hori ez
rat!
dugu nahi.
Not too yet.
Time to heal, dwarf. Or not.
Oh, the tail is racking them up with
A ver.
Fire rat. Ugh.
Strangler! There, got something for you!
By Sigma, the Hammer, and the Empire!
Oh, don't I'm drinking!
Must be this way!
Vale, akabatu egin dugu estea. Vale, guazen aurrera. Vale, guazen.
A boiled troll! Keep your courage, mates, and we'll outwit the brute!
Right through.
Get back! It's about to throw off! I don't want burning to a
Vale.
crisp, so kill that warp fire thrower!
Vale, hor da bat datorkigu gure lana. Hau ez dut zen.
That wind blew straight from the false moon.
Keep back! That glow rat is started. Get out of its path.
Strike them down.
Well, let's hope this works.
Stop showing off now. We're not here to play Stab the Most Backsworn.
Poison rat!
Find it! Kill it!
Gas cloud coming in!
There is no escape.
Bueno, guazen bestera gure.
They reek of plague. Kill them quickly. Goddess, that's a gas probe. I hear the pale queen.
You're a bit sluggish.
Stop me!
Hook rat!
Yes, he killed the hot rat! Hang on, Shorty. I'll give this potion a go.
Heavy there! Last one! That's a plague monk pack!
Feel the dark. Beware, plague rats!
A no great! Market's still fresh!
Non joan bat gara.
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone. Aye! Fight on! Take out the wildfire thrower!
Well.
Brand new clothes, didn't they? I must have miscast the illusion's authenticity cantrips.
I hope it's not spiled.
Bizitzez nago txarto. Zen euderak ni baino gehiago merezi zuen bizitza pozio hori hartzea.
Yeah, what's in this?
Plague vermin, the worst of their kind. I carry for you, Barden.
Kill that fire rat! This way! Blightstormer! Kill its dead! Gas rat! Vile things! Look out!
It's going to blow.
Take that eyes.
You seem sluggish, Elf. Can you still fight? Gas rat's dead.
Hemendik da.
Lots of activity here, and recently. I wonder what this portends, if it portends anything at all.
A ver.
Nice one, though! Sorry!
We get it.
bit more than your top. Now heal.
Hemendik izan beharko da.
This way.
Vale. Orduen odea itxasontzia itxaron behar dugun hori. Bueno.
What was that?
Stop
Vale.
showing off. You'll never be as good as Ockree. Over here, quickly now. Kill that bandit. Please, monks. War bandit.
Joan behar gabe taldera.
I have killed you. You all right, sir?
Don't underestimate that warfare.
Imbeciles! You're going the wrong way.
Beste aldera.
This is a dead end.
Bai, itxasontziarena da.
Throwing gun, look out!
Over this bridge, Story.
This way looks promising.
Ja, bueno.
The bridge. Fire that! Fire that! The war fire thrower's dead!
Ez nahi heltzen. Kaka.
Ruin Dad!
I need to heal. Show some patience. The rattle of a Skaven gunner. Cannot hide.
Here up, Dwarf, you're fooling no one. I could use a hand, friend,
forth. How dare they strike me down?
We're coming! We're coming! Oh, on your soul! You! Globe bomber coming in! Lord Sorcerer, he's up to no good. Well, of course he is. That's a gas rat. Lord is the gunner. Heads up, over there!
Bueno, ezin zu gainditu eta oso inteligentzia. Batzuten erazten da, bestetan ez.
Shadow magic protecting us works better at night. Don't worry if it gets a bit blowy. This old place ain't going anywhere. I think.
Hau blokeatu dara. Que kutsatze asko ditu dirigitzen gara. Ongo dugu beste bat.
Your wife's made quite a name for herself, I hear, Gorikson.
Egunen bat erretornei badu. Ah, bueno.
Gotta say, Kruger, you're holding up well. The others have been off since you got back from Castle Dragonfell. Time's arrived to shut that bloody Skittergate down for good. Rasknik's off whipping his horde into a frenzy, and your hard work has left them short on guards. I know you won't like the sound of this, but to truly destroy it, you are going to have to use the bloody thing and get your asses to Norska. Once there, we have a plan, thanks to Alicia's magical espionage. So calm down and listen good.
Ja, claro. Hau da azken misioa. Bentsat, misio principalen artean.
Protected all your money, you donkey. Hit it in the head.
This lifting platform shall carry us deeper.
takes my breath away seeing what the Raki have done.
Vale, guazen hemen.
Security potion! Oh, green piss.
Garfo handa pikutara. Vale, beadura gehiago dauka. Eta eraso gehiago. Eta regenerazioa. Bretonerrak ematen digu pasibarekin. Venga ya. Benetan, orain.
Watch out! Pestilence!
Vale.
You'll find worse than this again. Bet you only fall over again. Nothing got move! Up you come, Elf. Wrestling gunners, get!
Es que ahora sí da agua.
That's the Skittergate, all right. Got a good look at it from the cage.
So much power, harnessed to a simple lever. Pull it, and our work proceeds.
Hor dago atea irekitzen, Stargate dirudi.
Got it!
Should that pestiferous Laskinet have been here, one could safely assume would have faced a proper welcome by now.
Lady, protect me. Prevent this foul sorcery from sprouting anything even slightly resembling a tentacle.
Ya bueno.
Dark times breed strange alarms. What in Drakira's name is in this bottle?
A righteous blow, Dwarf. Your ancestors must have fought alongside
what's then?
Sigmar.
My ancestors fought alongside everyone, Grimgeen, and with each other. That's hard in the mountains. Life's hard everywhere, Martin.
What's then?
Rivers of Tal and fields of Rhea. That camp is far too huge. Stick to the plan, mates.
Base handia dela aitortu behar daukagu.
We've a gatekeeper stomping
Vale,
around, flaunting his key staff, and his day isn't ruined yet. Come on, mates. A grand strand, Dory. Hear that? The stomping great Lad Kazaki.
Vale, igual de atera goaz.
Stunner, my disdain alone will sell. Strike them down! White storm is near, mayflies.
Leech incoming!
Ammunition!
Leech prowling!
Vale, potola pikutara. Hori ezakit bizitzak entzen dizutenetarikoa den edo bestea, inbokatzen dutela ekaitz moduko bat.
Oh, hope I'm drinking!
There's a fire out nearby.
Feeble fire rat! My righteousness burns the brighter!
Boat is bound! Yeah, that's fine work! Keep it up, sir! Taste more of it, sir!
Hori ez dago ezer, bizitza ondogoaz.
That rat's got a reach, all right. There's a chaos warrior nearby.
That rot hell might
You hear what I hear, mates? Leech.
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
I hear a gas rat.
Kasaki Doom!
Goazen guztiok elkarrekin. Epa, ba ondo, hemen apur bat entrenamendu izaten.
Sure torments them. That witch straight from the full screw.
Not yet. Not yet.
Sugar, why do you keep breathing that?
Vale, non dago potoloa.
A gutter runner. Are you ready, Mayfly?
Shield up! One.
Kaka.
I see a dwarf balls as readily as
Eyes.
Bueno, elfo bat da.
that blood
Gainera
storm will trouble us no more.
apirilaren 20an atatzen denez aktualizazio berri bat, mapa berriekin eta bar, ba uste dut entrenamentua falta zaidala. Eta orduan hemen nago apur bat kain ematen.
Not bad for a fellow with one eye.
Sigma guides my strikes, Master Dwarf.
Looks like the
Zer, azkenean garaitu zenuen inbidia.
New Axis taking ship in search of glory. Hey, Latroff. Push on through. Don't let them stop you. Let's fight. I hear something.
Bueno, azkenean lortuko duzu, beti lortzen da azkenengo bossa garaintzea. Bueno, ez dakit azken bossa den edo ez. Baina ulertzen duzu esan nahi dudan. A ver. Non zaude. Ah, kaka!
Strangler! We've got the hot rat!
Vale. Ni dango dut, espada.
Who brewed this muck?
Venga, minibossa orain.
Ha! You reckon I'm scared of you, Kentucky Doom? That you'll walk out of here alive? That you're double the discipline! To the lady! I'm a mortal of flame!
Hau da, nola baita esateko azken misioa eta oso gogorra da. Osa, niko ez dut zitzaidan garaitzea. Bueno.
Our next task is by the gate controls. Get moving. Only halt your strides to finish off exceptionally vile specimens. Feeling better?
Certainly, huh? New priority, kill that warp fire thrower, now! Assassin, I hear it!
The warp fire thrower is no longer a threat.
Go softly into your failure, assassin.
A ver.
Late witch!
Vale, potola hil egin da. Distantzia munizia dauka momentuan.
Chaos warrior, just what we needed. There is no escape.
Joko honetan blokeoa ere garrantzitsua da. Baten bazara asako, batzutan daten zaizu oso txarto. Batez ere horda bat agertzen bada. Ez dira indartsuak, baina asko dira. Eta orduan ezustekoak ere gertatzen dira. A ver, paciencia. Vale, itxaron.
The dwarf's fortitude shames you.
Vale, senatu naute, ondo. Horrela liburu eraman dezaket.
Well, even this worked. The gods smile on us today, mates. So far. Get down to the warp contraption things.
Lord daude. orain gauzatxoak zuntzitzera.
The only way. Good quality.
Eta horosenekin kentzituzu erditik, nahikotxo gerlari.
I'm fading. God preserve me.
Move those legs. Sigmar, give us speed. The skipper gate is about to go. You're getting the knack of this story.
Bale, guazen. Munizioa, bizitzarik ezin dugu hartu. Gero batzutan ez dira onantz etortzen eta partida galtzen dira. Osa, galdu daitezke arrazoi askoren gatik, baina... Bueno, momentuz, orain dato satiriko gorrena, boss finalaren kontra. Kaixo. Vale. Ez dut hor, hobeto gongo dela. Dirudiena baina asko ere gogorragoa da. Gainea horretaz aparte etxai ugari daude. Vale, eta min asko egiten du. Eta ezin nahi sendatu. Vale. Lehenengo garbitu desatela zonaldea eta gero etor daitezela laguntzera. Vale. Gainera mugitzen denez eta elektrizitate erabiltzen duenez hiltzen ez da erraza. hori da egiten du teletransportazio antzeko bat, eta orduan eta karo, egon behar naiz denbora guztian arkoarekin eta espaterekin hemen buelta eta buelta ematen.
Watch out for shield rats, lumberboots. That's another one for only one eye.
Vale. Orain ies egitera.
I hear the Pale Queen.
You are needed, Elf. You must not die.
Over here, quickly now.
A ver, mapa guztia garaituak ditu eta dena, baina, bueno. Behite ematen du postasun bat mapak berriz iragaztea. Vale.
Can't sleep yet.
Even your wounds have wounds, dwarf.
Dena pikutara.
Does it hurt one eye? Good.
Over here, quickly now.
Hala. Eta orain ies egitera. Guazen. Eta hor sartzen garenean ja, ies egiten dugu eta erazten dugu. Uff. Hemen talde lana oso garrantzitsua da. Hogeita garren nivela da nivelik altuena, hortik igo zaitezke niveles baina igo gabe. A ver. Eta gauzak ondo ditagatik kutsatxo beak. Ba, betikoa.
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Zeo zerbete dugu hemen. Monstru bat bakarrik. Ba, berdin zaigu. Ba, joango gara este partidatxo bat jokatzera. Total. Bueno, jendea jokatu nahiz badu, irtengo naiz taldetik. Aukeratuko dut beste pertsonai bat. Igoko dut nivela, dea zer moduz moldatzen naizen. Eske gero, joko hau ez baduzu joatzen lagunekin, tokatel zaizkizu, ba... gaiztuak dire... Bueno, badago jendea, zu jokatzen duzu zailtasun honetan, jokatzen dengoen zailtasun honetan, eta behin ikusten duzula ba... errez, kakotzen artean irabazten duzula eta bar, erabakitzen duzu, ba aldatzea.
All is well. Well, not really.
Eta orduan jendea da apur bat toca pelotas. Vamos a armada. hau jarriko dugu. Ea ipotxeekin jogatzeko aukera daukagun.
The Bridge of Shadows has been a boon, but
Horregatik joko honetan lagunak baldin badituzu jokatzeko garaian asko zera hobeto. Hazel Jenlui, vale.
Take a wander, have a gander, and put a stop to whatever it is they're up to. We've a lot of work to do, and we won't stand a chance if you're left marching up and down.
Eta claro, joko honetara, edo Warhammer jokoetara jokatzen duzten pertsona gehienak, edo esakotzen ditudanak, ba ez dire Euskal Herrikoak, beraz, erderaz jokatzeko ohitura badaukat. Eta esaten den moduan, hobetzeko zailtasun batean jogatu ardia partidak. Eta jazten badire esaten oso txarra zarela, noob bat zarrela eta abar, esaten duzu, bai, noob bat naiz gutxi jogatu dudalako.
Was this valley forgotten, I wonder? Or has it ever been concealed from prying eyes?
Batez ere, osea, multijokalaria bada, honen moduan. Beste gauza bat izan daiteke Resident Evil bat, jokatzea lehenengo zailtasun errezenean, eta gero, ba, joan hobetzen eta abar. Baina jendeak botatzen badezaitu partidatik eta abar. Ba, ezin duzu betu. Beste joko batzuetan, hasi aurretik zure taldekidek kagatzen zaituzte. Ez hori ez.
This way! Onwards!
Treachery! The elf targets me! Don't poke your eyes!
Vantage Bombardier! Oh, such vileness!
My Sigmar, the Hammer, and the Empire!
Think of it. There's a scryer out close.
Edo euskaldunak badaude, baina ez dutela, ba,
Right through!
euskaraz jokatzen. Baina, bueno, hori beste
Come on!
gauzatxo bat da.
Have a door in the shield! To you! Get behind!
Calm yourself down, one eye.
Oh, knock it off! Try again! Harder!
I don't die that easily.
That rasping breath! Gas blast! Yeah! Keep up the pace! We can't linger here! Hold up! Need to patch a wound! Oh, a mighty blow! So much for the endurance of the elves. Look at this place.
Horregatik orokorrean nahiago ditut pertsona bakarreko jokoak. Bueno, joko honetan jokatu dezakezu botekin, baina botekin agian ez da berdina.
Watch out for shield rats, lumberboots.
I know you got. See you also blind? I test my drum rule. Go for it.
You cannot hide.
Gilmore directed. Gilmore. Ian Racky incoming. Hell, is this the time, really?
Eta gero jendea baldin badago, blokeatzen ez dutena oso garrantzitsua dela, ba, askoz ere okerrago. Hau ez da nola esateko God of War bat.
Potion here.
Eta horra gorra nora heltzen
Shield
da.
will stop me, vermin.
Hau ez nuke esango, jepat ez nuke esango Souls bat izango litzatekeenik, baina blokeatzea, alboro batera joatea, erasotzea garrantzitsua da. Pertsone bakoitzak dituztelako, ba, beure pautak.
What in Shrakira's name is in this bottle?
You're a bit tiny for my taste.
I can't fight much longer. Strangler! Taskmaster done.
Risky idea.
That Taskmaster will trouble us no more.
Blightstormer, I warned you.
Senior! That Blightstormer will trouble us no more.
Zer modu zate,
Roar like a
sori ez, mesede.
Have you
Bale, zehatu behar naiz ere taldekideak ez mintzen. Batzutan horrelak ere gertatzen dira.
Over here! Easy pickings for you. Only a doorway.
Bueno, batzutan gertatzen dira.
The gunner's dead.
Let's make a quick eye.
A ver.
So many. Even I cannot.
Someone give me a feel. There's more over here. You're a bit bloody, girl.
Bueno, onda, apur bat entrenatzen hemen.
Hold up. I'm feeling a touch out of sorts.
A ver. Non
The
dago.
Skaven dare come so close to the temple. Teach them their folly. Shield rat!
A ver.
You want to pick up the book?
Vale. Ezin gara tere, hemendik. A ver, sendatuko dugu lagun hau.
Grimgi, that arm's hanging off.
Bizitza txarto zegoela. Eta elfa eta ni gaude bizitza apur bat okerrago, baina beno. Egin beharrak egin ditzakegu normal. Egia da, ez dudala muniziorik.
Is that the word of a rattling gun? Ammunition here. By the hammer, the gun rat is dead.
Well, which way is it?
Oh. Hiltzaileak bek diarrapatzen hau. Ez? Vale, orain joango gara Markusen bila. Eta pentsatu ere. Vale, potolo akabatu egin dute, beraz. Ba, jarrai dezagun aurrera. Ni liburu izan da orain ezin nintzateke sendatu. Hori ez dut behar.
This place has the feeling of clambering over a corpse.
If I die, return me to the soil.
Rise, Wittilgi. It'd be dull without you. Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
You shall not die, Kruber! I forbid it!
Vale, agur potolo jauna.
A Packmaster, it shall perish. Don't do that again, Ranger.
Chaos Warrior Mayflies.
With this shot I abjure thee! Good riddance, vile thing.
Jo, gaina pila bat dira.
My disdain alone will fell you.
There, in that shadow!
I am lost beyond words.
You're needed!
Eta joko guztietan bezala, zenbat eta zailtasun handiagoa. Orduan eta gauza gutxiago ditugu.
Where things are going, we could use one of those gods of yours, Witelgi.
Esango nuke hortik dela.
Bandages, or the filthy human equivalent. Kruber, you keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bet.
Bet? What bet?
Ja,
The dogs you'll listen
gauza,
to, think you know how she gabbles on.
eta pentsatu ere.
I've had worse than this.
Zan izan da. Vale.
Take your guard off. That's a chaos warrior. It's rough, eh? He's down. You. Now I'm pissed off.
I need help!
Not enough, neither in numbers or effort. More! Take your best shot! Here, a fell step.
The Chaos Warrior leads them. It seems the temple was its own undoing.
Vale.
Such is the price for meddling in sorcery. Skaven, Northlanders, cowards all.
Gutxi falta da azken lekura heltzeko. Eta hor biziari iraun. Ba, bueno, gauzatxo bat lortu arte. A ver.
A rattling gun, going by that sense. Hold on, Mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Gotcha.
Liburua niretzat.
You're not looking so good, One Eye.
Thank you.
Bugger, listen to that! Quorum Gatlishi!
Slay the fireman. Quickly!
Orain jarri behar ditugu hiru gauzatxo dagokien lekuan eta bizi iraun. Dena pikutara joan alizateko.
What is this sensation?
Vale, urrengora.
Plague rats!
No, I'm not bad, sir! You're shooting me!
Bate gauza bat egiten duen bitartean besteago ez dugu. orain bizi iran behar dugu alde egin aurretik. Eta orain, hemendik bagoaz, ziztu bizian gainera. Eta hor ja, partida iraziko genuke. Gero taldekideak zuria sortzen zaituzte, baina no? Ay, bueno. Hala, kutsatxoa. Vale. A ver. Y hemen. Jokatuko dugu beste bat, ia hasieratik jokatzeko aukera daukagun. Ez naiz partida osatzetik hasi, esan dut, hasieran justa harrapatu ditut. Eta orain jokatzeko nahi duten ala ez. Ba ez, denak alde egin dute. Ba bueno.
Good evening.
Eta ikusten duzuen moduan baditu dendik pila bat kutxa ireki behar ditudanak. Noizbait egin beharko dut. Zuzenekoak bakarrik kutxak irekitzen. Vale. Jokatu. Eta orain jendea itxarotera, edo partida baten erdian sartu.
I'm not sure why I'm bothering to explain this, as you're going to forget as soon as the illusion takes hold, but here goes. There's something hidden in the area around the tower. All I can say is that I'll know it when I see it. Search every nook and cranny. I'll provide whatever guidance I can, so you'd better listen.
Bueno, luze bat, depende. Baina, bueno, nahi baduzu egin dezakri zuzeneko bat, Vermintide 2 kutxak irekitzen. Partida baten erdian berriro. Bueno. Saiatu egin barko gara. Vale. Bueno. Ia azken zatian gaude. Partidak ere irazi behar dira. Orain, erasoa saiestera. Eta lehenengo sendatzera.
come again.
Vale.
Get this over with.
Grab a door and a shield! Look to you! Get behind me! That's good.
I hear Steven machinery.
I'm throwing a bomb!
Izaten nahiago dut partida hasieratik hasi guztiekin batera, nola esango nuke, partida baten erdian sartzea baino.
You'll watch. Do not feel the eyes upon you.
The gunner is slain!
So, the Ratling's dead.
You are needed, Elf! You must not die!
Get all your stuff!
The Packmaster! It shall perish!
Time for the potion.
Die, Master! You will trouble us no more!
Vale. Vale. Bizitzaz nahiko
May I remind you, you are not invincible!
traketz nabil.
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
This wizard has a present for you. Light
Caca.
We have work to do, Gorickson.
Are you dead? There's a Chaos Warrior near. Stunner Warrior comes for us. Done ready.
Doesn't Sigma say don't shoot the dwarf, Grimgate?
Eskeraltzen banaiz.
Search Kalar's palace.
Caca.
Imbibing a potion?
Han baneukan sendatzeko gauzatxo bat, baina azkena ez dut topatu.
Free vermin, the worst of their kind. Ratlin's gone. Everything hurts. You look pale, wizard.
Justice finds me! This is for the best.
I shall miss your warmth, Sienna. Dusk, shadow.
Bueno, beste biek erondi gauzatxoak ere egin ditzakete.
Shield forward, eyes up, and ready for
vale.
a feast of flying limbs and claws! Get your best shot! I'm a grandmother hits harder than that! I test my problem!
Is our path a lifting cage? Hook rat over there!
Onto the platform!
Ah, Lillian, a blight stormer.
Vale.
I think there's something wrong with the illusion. That seemed harder than before.
Ah, Laura gaude berriro. Perfecto. Vale, orain alde egin behar dugu.
Don't mind the lack of the cards. Enter the portal. It's perfectly safe.
Ba horrela este partida tira, hasita. Agian oren botako naute, gertatu daitekeela. Soldaduarena. Hala.
Raining cats and dogs, eh? To go along with ratmen and Northlanders, I suppose.
Emango diot azteko, ea zer erabakitzen duten. Bueno, bitartean vale, jan egin dira esango nuke. Ez dela jartzen dut, han echado de la partida.
Just another glorious day in the Reichland.
Sienarekin. Horrela behintzat besteekin ere praktika hartzen dut.
So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either
A
a
ver,
good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have to tell you what to do about our fat little friend, do I?
Gustu dana badin bada bukaera hori zen gustatzen, baina bueno. Horretarako lehen da bizi heldu beharko litzateke sonalde horretara. Beraz joango gara gutxinaka eta gauzak ondo egiten saiatuz eta punto pelota. Eta berriro partida baten erdian. A ver. Ni orain kargatzen den. Batzutan ere arazoak ematen ditu. Karga arazoak, Total Warren berdina ez, baina vale, agur. Vale. Hor ezer gutxi egiteko aukera nuen. Vale.
Don't stay up too late. I've got work for you tomorrow.
Hangar. Orain bentsat hasieratik hasiko gara, hori ona da.
The time has come, people. The Skittergate guards
Skittergate, zailtasun honetan, ustut ez dudala gainditua.
is off to hold some self-congratulatory victory speech. This is our chance to destroy the Skittergate. Now, just let me finish before you start screaming bloody murder. You must go through the Skittergate and travel to Norska. It's the only way, so listen carefully. If you don't do exactly as I say, you won't be coming back.
Gogorra izango da hau. Bueno. Azken partidatxoa, zuzeneko honetan. A ver, erraz bidaltzen bagaituzte etxera, jogatuko dugu beste bat. Baina heltzen bagara Norskara eta Norskan nahiko aurreratu, eta galtzen badugu, izango da azkenengo partida. Eta iarki, Darksiders kokatu nahi baduzu zuzenean, abisatu eta raida egiten dizu. Venga ya. A ver. Búfalo. Búfalo hori segatzen zaio. Búfalo. Vale. Hangar. Ah, vale, badator. Zando momento, shock.
This mess has to be seen to be believed, doesn't it?
Espada polita daukat. Eta horrek burua galdu egin zuen.
Charges is spy. Kill the gas rat. It's gonna explode. What? My shield's up. Behind me. Anything else can kill, I can kill.
Tell without conscience, one-eye.
A ver. Honetan, gehienetan hobeda isilik egotea eta gauzak ondo egitea. Edo zen momentutan partia joan ez zaizulako pikutara. Izan daiteke hasieran edo hasiera izan gabe.
yourself to ammunition.
Ready to settle that game, Dory?
A ver.
Lucrat dead!
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Hang about! Let me stitch my leg back on.
The weave calls me back.
Vale.
You look half dead for telling.
Hold on, mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Vale, pasiba nahiko potenteak ditugu.
Well, that's done it. Suppose we'll have to head through now.
We could have killed two rats with one stone.
Dead, not alive!
Somewhere else.
Vale, guazen Norse, cara.
Suicidal tendencies, mayflies. You have them. Apparently now, so do I.
Survived. This is our destiny. I know it more than ever now. Sigma will... That's all. Rise up, help. One last help.
It's fought
Bueno, lehenengo zonaldea garbitu. Vale, ez gara egoerarik hoberan heldu ona.
if I die.
Beraz, sufritzera joan beharko
You
gara.
seem sluggish, Elf. Can you still fight?
Horrez dago ezer, bizitza oso txarto gaude guztiak.
I hear the pale feet.
You could use some aid, Elf. Hang on, Dory. I'll give this potion a go.
Bizitza zertzo baita errekuperatu dut. Ez askotxo, baina ezer baino gehiago bintzat bada.
Told the entrance through the docks. Should it exist?
Ole.
Time's arrived to shut that
Vale, basi beharko gara berriro.
Rasknik's off whipping his hood into a frenzy.
Bueno, ez dakit zergaitik, baina, bueno.
I know you won't like the sound.
Ere ez nahi hemen arazotan sartuko hasieratik.
Use the bloody thing and get your asses to Norska. Once there, we have a plan.
Botekin bada, botekin aurrera.
So calm down and listen good.
Kargatzen baldin bada. Vale, botekin.
I'm not happy about relying on Rakiumgak either, Dory, but I figure the plan is just audacious enough to work.
The Stunner Warrior comes for us. Stun ready.
Holy
Está verdinha y no.
This lifting platform shall carry us deeper. This devastation will be repaid in kind. This I vow.
Eskatrak pertsona hauek ni jarrizkiedan objektuekin daudela zehaztuak.
Stand clear of that hook.
All right, come on, Silver old gas incoming! Just what? Stop me!
Está pensato ere. Da falta zitzaiguna.
Still here? Just keep going! Twice the glow!
There is no escape! That bomb has.
Lehen baina askoz ere okerrago nago. Beraz hori kriston putada da niretzat. Ikutzen banaute agu... Uf. Vale. Eta gero eta bizitza gutxiago rekuperatzen duzu zailtasun handiagoa. Normala denez, zailtasun gehiago.
See, the Skittergate lies within our grasp.
Horrez dago ezer. Goazen bera.
You hear that? Rattling gunner!
The gate must be roused, whether we like it or not.
Stand together! Send the buggers back into the field! Piss on that rattling anyway!
Mark my words, crossing such a threshold is utter insanity. But needs must in dark times. Into the gate! Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Buah, ese naranja.
Blessed Sigma, protect us! Let us bring your vengeance to the other side!
We should not have
By the
Vale,
Hammer.
Norska.
We live!
Rotbloods.
Faith was our shield.
Nurgelen
And
jarraitzaileak.
shall now serve as our sword.
I want it, dogs.
Chaos warriors lumbering around.
Non?
Up here! No door ring! It would serve us well
Joder,
to
dale
skirt
Q
that
handia da hori,
disturbingly massive camp. Find the route Lona spoke of.
Vale.
Armored heretic! Fight the righteous fight!
Yeah, there's a knack to those things, sir. Watch me next time I throw.
I yield to your experience.
Etoren aurrera.
The gate fell silent as expected. We have a gatekeeper to find and a key staff to claim. Move!
Splinter Skull.
Enga.
That's all? The docks, all according to plan. The inside of the camp awaits.
Weapons up! Fight like it's payday!
Double for discipline! Have a cab on the way!
Agur. Vale, habían agures.
Do not fail me now!
Drinking? Beach incoming! That's what we call a panic bar hunting!
Clear the path to the Chaos Warrior!
See? I do have my... That's all you've got! Give us a...
No lo voy a hacer.
A Chaos Warrior!
Like the rest, Hunter.
That's better. One less Chaos Warrior.
Take that potion. It might be useful.
tread of a Blightstormer mayflies. You'll see his fat face soon enough.
Dummy, Dory. Leech squash!
Vale, goazen aurrera.
Dead, not alive. Slay the flutter.
Still plenty to kill, Grimgate.
Imbibing a potion. I unleash black powder.
You can stop us. You're welcome to bloody try.
With this shot I am journey.
Not enough. Either it's more effort. More. Go on, hit me harder. A watchful eye, Dory. Otherwise, a storm of push.
Take that eyes.
What's
The
that?
Blightstormer's dead.
Fine, Lord. You've learned something from me after all.
You stink stronger than you try. Take your best shot. Another life leech. Leech is dead. Fat
Blightstormer,
bastard
and he's close.
Blightstormer. Foul Blightstormer, dead and gone.
Sir, please stop shooting me.
Barkatu.
A Rothelm. Sigma grant me strength. War funding.
This is where we
Blightstormer. It must be silenced.
No lo voy a hacer.
That's all you've got? Someone give me a reason.
Esto lo enemigo. Bueno, sube cobeto.
I hope it's not spoiled. A Rothelm approaches. The fast blow is mine. Inside. We have little time for delay. And now.
It's slovenly. He's down.
Va a ser barrura.
It's this way.
Vale, partida erdia jokatu dugula esan daiteke. Edo mapa erdia.
Audience gatekeeper. We bring lavish gifts and a very generous offer.
See, a bomb. Sigma favors us. Hold a moment while I drink.
It's a
Blightstormers
to me,
near Mayflies.
Blightstormers dealt with. Play Sigma.
Ah, same old blabbering bluster. Bring him down, Dory. We've faced far worse than him.
Or a jack in the box?
Thanks, Bonnie.
That heavy tread, arrogance in every step. It's a chaos warrior. Come, Stunner. My disdain alone will fell you. I said war fronting!
The Chaos Warrior falls. Yes, rat. Not any longer.
Gehiago.
Give me a good shot! Hogger! I'm still standing! Do it! All right! Come on! Kill for old Rupert! You only fall over twice! That's glory! Little, huh? Yeah. What's the matter, Kazaki? Can't get up! A righteous bold one! Your ancestors must have fought alongside Sigmar. My ancestors fought alongside everyone, Grimgir, and with each other. That's hard in the mountains.
Life's hard everywhere, Bardin.
Keep him away from the next one, Mayflies. I've no desire to die from Blackfire.
If your squawking wasn't so distracting.
I can put an arrow in one eye. It might help you to see in the moonlight.
Hold your ground! The Chaos Warrior comes!
Bugger! A hook rat! Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
What fire?
On that. I
This
reckon
day
it's a
was
fire
already
rat.
bad enough.
Go to the head, sir!
You do know that you're shooting me with one eye.
Come on, Rotten! There's more room here. I'll give you one for free. You stink stronger than you strike.
Have a care.
I feel
hear
the
a
winds
storm,
writhing.
Sorcerer.
Blightstormer.
The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
What's that?
You're welcome to bloody try.
Dead, not alive. I'm a shot for your
Write
Rasta.
them down. Acceptable.
Hey, here's where the action is. Don't kick them in the dumpling. I kick my brother. Whoa. Welcome to the Balmore. Right here, right now. Can we? Where's the sorcerer? The black sword is true. Who's like a shot?
Kagak. Utzi bake.
Assassin rat! Ah, you die!
Dead, let your foul winds speed your soul to damnation. I need you back in shape to kill things out. Hook rat prowling, don't get caught.
Cannot hide.
Bindings and tinctures.
Guazen gora. Gora.
That's a fire rat. Feeble fire rat. My righteousness burns the brighter.
Vale, orain gauzak zuntzitzera.
What? Are we doing impressions of Sylvanian peasants? Stop that slack-jawed dawdling and put the key stuff to use!
Now, let's convince this disgusting contraption to overheat.
Hangar.
Destroy the warp regulator! Overheating shall bring it all down! Double the discipline!
Good kill, sir. Keep your elbow up. Jaws open.
You've down!
As you should do. No one wants to look your corpse around. Run for it, Dory! Back through the gate! Go!
Guard me a moment! Sigma! Preserve your servant one last time!
Places are you all?
I feel the gate's blasphemous magic in every pore.
Coming, sir. Keep the faith. Up with you, sir. Any of the miscreants to judge yet?
Vale. Eurak egin beharko dute lan ba ez. Ba, bueno, lagunok, hau izan du da guztia. Espero dut gustoko izan zaizuela. Eta horrengoan gehiago.